What if NASA has already found something on Mars, but they're not telling you the full story? Not aliens. Not exactly. But something that could change how we understand life itself. Mars has always been one of the most mysterious planets in our solar system. Cold, dry, and seemingly lifeless. At least, that's what we thought. For decades, scientists believed Mars was just a dead planet. A frozen desert with no real history. But recent missions are starting to tell a very different story. Let's start with water. One of the biggest discoveries NASA has made is clear evidence that Mars once had liquid water on its surface. Not small amounts. Entire rivers, lakes, even oceans. Images from rovers show dried-up riverbeds, mineral deposits, and patterns that can only form in flowing water. Which leads to a critical question: if Mars once had water, could it have supported life? Now here's where things get interesting. NASA rovers have detected organic molecules on Mars. These are the basic building blocks of life. Not proof of life. But not nothing either. Organic compounds usually come from biological processes, or very specific chemical reactions. Either way, they shouldn't be there by accident. Then there's methane. Small amounts of methane have been detected in the Martian atmosphere. And on Earth, methane is often produced by living organisms. Microbes, bacteria, life too small to see. But methane can also come from geological processes. Which means we're stuck between two possibilities. Either Mars is still geologically active, or something alive is producing it. And we don't yet know which one is true. Now let's talk about something even stranger. Certain rock samples collected by rovers show patterns and textures that some scientists believe could be linked to ancient microbial life. Tiny structures. Unusual formations. Nothing confirmed. But enough to raise serious questions. Because if even microscopic life once existed on Mars, that changes everything. It means life might not be unique to Earth. It might be something the universe creates naturally. And if that's true, then Mars might just be the beginning. NASA is now preparing missions to bring actual samples from Mars back to Earth. For the first time ever, we will be able to analyze Martian material in advanced laboratories. Not through cameras, not through sensors. Directly, with tools far more powerful than anything we can send on a rover. Scientists hope these samples will finally answer the question: did life ever exist on Mars? Or, does it still exist, in some hidden form? But here's the part most people don't think about. If we confirm life on Mars, even the smallest form, then Earth is no longer special. We are no longer alone in the sense we once believed. And the universe suddenly becomes a very different place. The question is no longer, is there life out there? It becomes, how much of it is out there, waiting to be found? If this made you question what's really out there, subscribe to DOCU Signals. Because in the next video, we're diving into discoveries that don't make headlines. And maybe, never should have. Stay curious.